Hi everyone, thanks for watching this short video. Today I'm going to be talking about the adoption of Power BI within your organisation and how to manage the governance aspect of a self-serve solution. So to start with introductions, my name's Caroline Gore. I'm on the global management team at Thorogood, and as part of my role I work pretty closely with lots of our consultants and also our partners and our customers. And in doing that, I get to hear a lot about the challenges that we're helping customers to address. In terms of Thorogood, we're a specialist data and analytics consultancy. We're a global company and we're experts in helping organisations to manage digital transformation through the integration of data engineering, data science and data visualisation techniques. We've got very strong technical expertise across a range of technologies, but also have a clear focus on working with customers on what is driving their requirement and their particular business need. So, as I said, today I'm talking about the drive within organisations to widen access to data through self-serve initiatives, and in particular, focusing on Microsoft Power BI. So there are some key areas to highlight when thinking about how to manage Power BI effectively within your organisation, starting with ensuring alignment to business needs. So making sure that the technology is supporting the company's objectives. Then balance between control and openness is really important to consider. So how much do you control the platform versus giving full autonomy to users? Administration of your platform, certainly report and dataset management is really key. You're likely to have a proliferation of both, so it's important to think about how you'll manage and administer those reports and datasets. Then best practices, so providing the guidance that users need, which could be in terms of style guides, look and feel, use of datasets, and then how and where to share reports. Training and empowering users is key to help them get the best out of the technology, and then monitoring to keep abreast of how it's being used and any tweaks you need to make. So, what and how should we govern once we have Power BI in place? Well, organisations need to build a framework that allows for the technical sophistication of employees without letting the idea of self-serve override any governance structures needed. So I've attempted on this slide to give an idea of what a Power BI adoption framework could look like, but obviously there's the flexibility within that to tailor it to suit your specific case. So starting with assessment, as with anything, a good first step is to take stock of your current situation and identify where you want to get to. And then moving on to design. So it's really about architecting your platform and laying down the foundation. Power BI isn't just about the free desktop version. There are many other aspects that need to be considered. So getting the design of the full solution right is really important. Then once your design is in place and a foundation is set, you move on to the enablement phase where you roll out the tool, establish best practices, train your users and your power users, and potentially start building out a user community. Then underpinning all of this is a governance framework. So solidifying the things you need to have in place to make this an effective and robust platform. And really the final thing to call out is that the activities around assessment, design and enablement aren't one-off activities. Businesses evolve really quickly, as does technology. So monitoring and periodic review of this framework is really essential to ensuring ongoing success. So this video is designed to pull out at a high level some of the key considerations you might have when thinking about adoption of Power BI and then the associated governance requirements. But if this topic is of interest to you or some of the challenges ring true and you'd like to explore further, there are a few ideas here for next steps. So firstly, we run free educational events all the time, and you can see the list of what's available on our website, including webcasts on particular topics, also Power BI dashboard in a day events, which you may find useful either for yourself or, maybe for some of your colleagues to attend to get an overview of the tool. We also have lots of online content available, and that's there for you to browse at your own convenience. The link I've highlighted here is to the playlist section on our YouTube channel, because I personally find that really useful. It groups content into different hot topics, and including Power BI as an example. We also have a whole range of case studies on our website, which give a bit more detail about what other companies are doing in this space. So I've included the link here, and in that section, you can also filter on keywords, so to bring up the case studies that you're interested in. And then finally, please do feel free to link in with me or drop me an email if you did want to discuss this topic or any other topic for that matter related to data and analytics. And I'd be very happy to chat and give you an idea of the ways that we've seen organisations take the next step. So thanks very much for watching.